Welcome to channel. Here you will learn about the most interesting fact.
To make a logo using Inshot, a photo and video editing app, you can follow these steps. 1. Download and install the Inshot app on your mobile device. 2. Open the app and tap the design option from the bottom menu. 3. Choose a blank canvas or select a template that best suits your design needs. 4. Add text to your logo by tapping the text option from the menu and typing in your desired text. You can customize the font, size, color, and other text properties. 5. Add graphics or images to your logo by tapping the stickers option from the menu and selecting the desired image. You can also import your own images from your device's photo library. 6. Adjust the size and position of the elements in your logo using the touch controls. 7. Apply color adjustments or filters to enhance the overall look of your logo. 8. Save your logo by tapping the Save button. You can then export it as a PNG or JPG file, or share it directly from the app.
Be sure to subscribe to support our channel.